Sisters, naye Bafana naye Mexico. Hey, yakhumbula 2010.
Yeah.
Sadlala 1-1 Mexico. We played 1-1 against Mexico 2010. Now, it was opening a World Cup leyo.
Yeah.
Lapho kwaskora khona uChabalala assistwa nguKagiso Dikhashi, and I still feel like mina uKagiso Dikhashi akekho aka recognizewa more than and aka appreciatewa more than uSimphiwe. But that pass esayibona kuyo yenye yezinto today eyenza uChabalala abuyashine. Now siya Mexico. This is round 2, sisters. From 2010 opening World Cup, then 2026, but history repeats itself.
Yeah.
Do you think in your Saibona 2010, are we still gonna see it namanje?
We have players and a potential. We have Abo Rilemo Fokeng, Abo Apolis, Abo Sbilibili, Abo Mutau. We can do it.
So let generation no. Iyakhona ukuyenza lento eyenziwa ila generation yabo Mbazo. And then now here are the boys. Now kumele babhadale something abangayikoloti. Something esiyazi ukuthi iMexico yas abuse ngabo Diego Forlán, Dos Santos. Do you think these boys, this group of players, these young players abo Rile, abo Apolis, as you said, abo Sbilibili, do you think are capable to beat Mexico?
Puchana yonke into capable yabona mabayijelile ukulandela the way iPSL idlale ngakhona.
This season, a very interesting season.
It was an interesting season. Sidlala singena sikhipana, you understand? So ama-players wethu ayashowa i-potential ukuthi they are fit to do this. Bangayenza lento le.
Yephi player yakho kule Bafana othi le angihamba nayo le? Of course, yes, sihamba ne-team, but there will always be that one player. Yephi player yakho kule season oyibona ba this one ayiyabona le yoshayina Bafana.
Mina ngiyayishaya isifuba ngoSibilibili. Abamboni kodwa ke uSibilibili is coming.
Is the players as producer something lapha ya. Ubheja ngaSibilibili. Now, siyazi coach ke coach wethu sometimes unokusidisappoint, but now if faith yethu sibeka kuwe. Kunama strikers, sine problem nama strikers la. Azoskora sinongwana sese, sinorenas, sino-Forst. Between the three ngomuphothi wena yabona lesi striker, yesi striker sethe Bafana.
Ngwana
sesi. Abantu abaningi bathi siphelezele lapha eMexico. We are just there to sign a register, and then after 2-3 games siyabuya.
Yeah.
Do you think ukuthi Bafana iyadlula to last 32 or Bafana iyabuya vele?
Ngiyabapha inhliziyo yami, ngiyabathemba. I can say I can give them a chance. Bane potential bangaka.
Because of maningi amathima lapha yaphela. Ayifana amanye ama World Cup lena. Lena izaba nayo ne chance eningi ukuthi udlule. So do you think the boys ziyadlula?
I believe so.
Or maybe sibhuke iflight ebuyayo?
Next, asibaphe a chance
So which is i-hotel we need to book for isikhathi ukuthi if bezibook for maybe the first 3 games, so maybe singaphinde sibanike maybe 1 or 2 games after the 3 games.
Asibhukele nabafana basayohlala le.
Bayokhemba ngara. So sister I believe ukuthi nami the boys will stay. But however, yabona mawusisho nawe uyangimotivate ukuthi hayi labafana vele bazohlala. So to indaba yokuthi now we know this team. We know ukuthi ama-fans ayalo la ngaphandle. I-Kaizer Chiefs la ngaphandle ngiyakubona ulibhakani. I-Kaizer Chiefs ithi hamba neMexico, and the Kaizer Chiefs have been singing i-national anthem yase-Mexico. Amakhosi ayakhala, and then do you think i-Kaizer Chiefs eyi-Mexico phela? Do you think i-Kaizer Chiefs izawuzizwa kanjani after the game ukuthi maybe as usisho ukuthi hayi labafana bayadlula? Do you think Kaizer Chiefs izaba mnandi masibona into enjalo?
Ama-Kaizer Chiefs akusikuthi bayayifavor iMexico or bayayisupporta. Inhliziyo ibuhlungu, bayayiduduza. Inhliziyo isekhaya basazobuya.
So ile ndaba kaPeterson kuphela le yenza amakhosi.
Ile ndaba kaPeterson bazwisa inhliziyo ibuhlungu, so bazophola bazobuya basekhaya.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu sister lami.
Ngiyabonga.
Danko.